Hey guys, today I'll be showing you an easy step-by-step tutorial on how to forward park into a parking bay. Step 1. Try to keep a safe distance from the parking bay. Step 2. Align your right rear view mirror to the right line of the parking space. Step 3. Turn your steering wheel all the way to the right. Step 4. Slowly move forward until the front end of the car enters the parking space. Step 5. Once you move into the parking space, straighten your wheels. Step 6. Slowly move forward into the parking bay until your car is completely inside. Congratulations! Now you know how to forward park into a parking bay. Please like and subscribe for more videos like this.